These three members of law enforcement each played a huge part in a high-profile murder case today. They were given one of the highest honors in U of I history. Good evening, I'm Paul Cicchini.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. Dozens gathered to recognize three men involved in cracking the murder case of U of I scholar Ying Zhang. Each one uncovered a critical piece of information that led to the arrest of her killer, Brent Christensen. WCIA 3's Emily Braun is live in our newsroom. Emily, what were those turning points?
Jennifer, first digging through security camera footage that nailed down where Zhang was picked up and which car she got into. Next, the discovery of the hubcap crack that led police right to Christensen's door. And finally, the interrogation that cracked Christensen so he admitted to picking up Zhang. U of I Chancellor Robert Jones recognized the three men behind each of these steps in order: telecommunicator Kenny Costa, Sergeant James Carter, and Detective Eric Stuyvesant. They were given the Chancellor's Medal and got the chance to speak afterward. All three had very little to say, just that they were happy to do their job, grateful for their families, humbled by the honor, and relieved that the ending gave some closure.
There's a healing process that goes on when something tragic like this happens, and like the Chancellor said, you know, we're a very tight-knit community here, and I think it's a fitting end to a very long and difficult time for the university.
Brent Christensen was found guilty of Ying Zhang's murder last July. He was sentenced to life in prison. Coming up at 10, you'll hear more about what was going through each of their minds when they realized their findings were about to lead to a breakthrough. Live in the newsroom, Emily Braun, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Thank goodness for those findings. All right, thank you. Chancellor Jones said only 12 people have been given the Chancellor's Medallion, including today's three.